Hello Abuti, say hello to the children. Molweni bantwana. Today we're learning how to say my brother, my sister, my mother, my father, my dog and my cat. Are you ready kids?
Yeah!
Abuti, how do we say my father in isiXhosa? Utata wam. And how do we say my mother in isiXhosa? Umama wam. Now how do we say my cat in isiXhosa? Ikati yam. And how do we say my dog in isiXhosa? Inja yam. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say my father and my mother, you use wam. And when you say my dog and my cat, you use yam. So when we say utata wam, the wam means of mine, father of mine. And when we say inja yam, the yam again means of mine, dog of mine. Now how do we say my brother in isiXhosa? Umnakwethu. And my sister in isiXhosa? Udadethu. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain some more. Did you notice that we didn't use yam or wam to say my brother or my sister? This is because in this context, this etu means our. So you're actually saying our brother and our sister. And now you understand a little bit better when talking about possession in isiXhosa. Goodbye Abuti. Nisale kakuhle.